Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see a no rate limit on sign up on this website. As well as we are going to see a no rate limit on login onto this website. So yes, I will just go to the sign up page and I'm going to fill all the details. So let me just put in the first name field my name, in the last name field the surname, in the email address I'm going to give an email address, that is the srsecure@gmail.com. In the password field I'm going to give a password. In the phone number field I'm going to give my phone number. I will just hit on sign up and it is saying me mobile number is already registered, so I'm going to use my another mobile number. Okay, so this number is also registered, so I'm going to use my another phone number. Yes, so this phone number was not used, and yes, the web application has sent it a OTP code, and I'm going to give a OTP that is 1111, and you can see this is the OTP which is going. I'm going to intercept the response of this request and I'm going to send this to intruder. So I've sent this to the intruder tab. First, let's see in the repeater what response do we get. As you can see, please enter a valid OTP, because this is a wrong OTP. We know that. So I'll go to the intruder tab. In the position tabs, I'm going to select the position for OTP code. So this is my position. I will click on add. Now I will go in the payload options and I'm going to choose numbers. I'm going to choose from number and to number. So as you can see, I have given 4420 till 4460. Basically, I am giving 40 OTPs to test. Now I'll go into the options tab. So I'm going to give some throttle of, let's say, 5 seconds. I'll quickly go in grep match. I'll clear the list and I'm going to put it here, which is please enter a valid OTP, and I'm going to hit add. I have started the attack, and let's just wait. As you can see in the first OTP response, it is showing please enter a valid OTP, which means this is not the right OTP, it is the wrong one. As you can see, the 4 OTPs that we have tested are all wrong. Please enter a valid OTP text is matching into the response. There is a time delay of 5 seconds between each request because of the throttle that we added from the request engine. We are just waiting for the right OTP to get brute forced. I will just scroll down to check. So we are still waiting for the right OTP to crack. And as you can see onto this 4440, you can see it is not matching this text, which is please enter a valid OTP. And onto the response at the bottom, you can see success 1, your account has been created successfully. Perfect. So we were able to bypass this and we have successfully created an account. So I have put that OTP again and you can see success, your account has been created. I'm inside this account. As you can see, this is my profile that I've opened. I will just go to the mobile number field and the email field. Perfect. So as you can see, we were able to do account takeover through this attack. I hope you guys understood. Thank you.